Hi and welcome back to Hyperspeed 3D. I told you that I'd make a second part to the YouTube video, and now the Hyperspeed longboard battery box is already 3D printed. I made this earlier before printing the box just to see what it would look like. Put my logo in, if you can see, over there. Yeah. Over there, you see me? Yeah. Did slight warping on the bed, so get yourself a hairdryer, heat it up, push it down flat, get something cold and heavy at the same time, and then just push it down if it warps on your bed. Then you'd have to throw it away like that. And then if you want this file for this battery box holder, which I designed in Tinkercad, calibrated all the holes for the LED battery light indicator there, and the power on and off button just here. Put some vent holes in here just in case. These are actually for the wires to go through. These were the wires what had to go through. The bricks are small, so I just made these ones instead. How I made this was, made another box in Tinkercad to roughly the size that I wanted. This is 3mm thick on the inside, so 1.5 for the first layer, 1.50. I then create another square or rectangle, whichever you want to call it. Put that at 3mm high and just squeezed it in a little bit for give you a nice little ledge. Duplicated it, so I've got a solid piece and a whole piece. Put the whole piece on the main body, centered it, also put a ruler on there as well, and then center it on your bed in Tinkercad so it ends up being in center, and join, and then that gives you a nice little lip all the way around the edge, just there. You can see. Yeah. Inside, okay, on the edge. And also, once you've done that, get yourself some 4 holes to the size of bolts what you're going to be using. You're allowed to alter this file if you need to be, but if you do, tell people where you get it from. Classed as stealing. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the new subscriber, yeah, another one, yes, this just today. Don't forget to click that button down there, just down there, that red one. And don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching once again. Happy 3D printing.